Oh my God.
I know I'm not alone in this. There's some of you out there that can feel this. And the Virgo in me hates it, despises it. So it is time to tackle this. I'm gonna put this scrunchie on that I just found to do it. What is all of this stuff? I never open this and I just throw random things in here and I'm embarrassed, and that's Lanka's butt. Hi, I'm gonna be honest. I really don't feel like doing a declutter right now. I don't really feel like resetting my space for the new year, but I'm gonna do it anyways because right when I'm in the middle of it, I'm probably gonna start feeling better, and when I'm at the end of the whole declutter situation, I'm gonna feel really good. So if you're like me and you don't necessarily feel like doing any any type of reorganization, then continue watching because I think this video will help inspire you. Comment below and let me know what area of your life needs the most declutter and reorganization. This is truly not my best angle, but we don't really care right now. We have other priorities. I have this huge box that has lived underneath my dresser for months, which is not where it belongs, and it's just filled with skincare and beauty products that I use, but they're just kind of everywhere and it's just a mess. Like, why is my toothpaste in here? It shouldn't be in here. It should be in the bathroom. And like, why is there shampoo? And it's because this sometimes is used for travel, like on road trips when we want to bring a bunch of self-care stuff. I'll bring this box, and over time it's now just a cluttered mess. Oh my gosh, it's not only this box, it's in here, this little chest full of just random things. I'm embarrassed. Are you judging me? The first step is to just take everything out of the drawer or take everything out of the closet. Wherever you have too many random things, just take it all out, because then you can look at what the drawer or closet could be. Spacious. Whenever friends and family come over, I always gift them product, and then I also go through and donate product from time to time to the women's shelter. I have just not looked in this drawer for so long, and whenever I see something random, I just throw it into that drawer. So comment below or like this video if you can relate to having a little bit too much product and then it just gets out of hand. So if you are with me on this one, then let's do this together. Go to the drawer or closet, or just get inspiration from this video. But if you're ready, go to the drawer or closet, pull everything out with me, and let's just do this together. What I'm doing first is I'm separating the products based off of what they are, what type of product. These are both hair care products. I have an organizer in my office for any of the products that I want to keep. I have them organized so that I can just take these products and throw them into my organization bin to give out to friends if they want it, or to use when I run out of product. So I'm going to go through that right now, and I'm going to separate face beauty products, so like bronzers and foundations, and then I'm going to get rid of things that don't have the cap to them anymore. The cap fell off and they're not good anymore, and I'm going to throw those away. And then I'm also going to make a donation pile as well and put all of the product that I want to donate that are new and nice that I'm not going to be using, and I'm going to throw them into this basket so I can take them to the women's shelter. Honestly, a lot of these products are products that I loved so much that I don't want to believe that they're empty. So I just kept them to see if I can get anything else out. This is the iSun Intense Ultra Restore Facial Oil Moisturizer. It's pretty expensive, and when I ran out of it, I didn't want to believe that it was done. So I just held on to it. There's a lot of product in here like that, so I don't know why I do that. I need to let them go when they're done. When you do a declutter, you end up finding things you forgot you had, like this. I got this at a Medihill event, and when the time runs out, it's when you can take off your face mask. So I can start using this when I use face masks again. Also, you find hair ties galore. I'm always looking for hair ties. And they're just all in here.
This was from my bicycle trip.
It was in here.
That's just... Look how many hair ties you found.
That's donations.
I'm gonna do a mud mask right now. I found one in the vitamin drawer.
This is nice.
What is that one? Here. What is that?
And then retinol night moisturizer. We should be using that. Retinol's good. I can never find cotton pads, and I just found 2 bags of them. And I use these to kind of just like get the toner on my skin. I don't use them often, but I use them every once in a while. And so I'm just going to put them in here. Alex is taking advantage of the fact that I'm going through my skincare stuff and has put a mud mask on his face.
Honestly, this just feels like I'm playing Army again, you know, like when I was a little kid. Just dun 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 dun. No, but it feels really good. Mud masks are my favorite. Alex
has gotten very much so into skincare since I have come into your life.
Yes, I'm much more moisturized, glowing.
I started decluttering yesterday in my office, and that's where I realized that I wanted to do a declutter video, because what I'm trying to do in this series is just bring you guys along with me in real life moments. So this is what I'm really doing right now to set for the new year. So my office has been started. It's not finished, but as you guys can see, I have these bins in my closet to help separate all of my different products that I can go into. So this is from the chest in my dresser that I just emptied out. These are some of the products that I do want to keep. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to sort through them. So as soon as I get these sorted into their appropriate bins, then I'll go in and organize each bin a little bit more. I really love having these bins because if you are anything like me, I have a lot of skincare products. So it's nice having these organized in the bins so that when friends and family come over, they can come into this closet and just kind of look through all of this and pick anything out that they want. And it's really good for me too, because when I run out of a certain product, I can just come into this closet and grab the replacement for it. Grabbing my nail polish and putting all of my nail polish into one of these blue bins that I'm using for a lot of different things, and then I'm going to be labeling these. Second box of nail polish. Why is labeling so satisfying? I have been searching for my Apple Watch charger for literally 2 months, and it was in that spot that I just decluttered, so that's a plus. You find things that you haven't seen in months. I actually was accusing Alex of stealing this charger, so I'm sorry for accusing you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. So I've officially gotten to a place where I feel good about where everything's at right now. It feels really, really good to declutter and to just like sort through the piles and to just put things where they belong. It just makes life a lot more enjoyable when you're able to like wake up and know where things are, so that it helps you get ready quicker. It helps you just clear your mind, because when things are where they're supposed to be, my mind just feels clear and I'm able to just be more productive that way. So it's feeling good. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I organized everything. I'll show you the cabinet in the bedroom, and then I'll also show you the cabinet in my bathroom that I use a lot. It's the guest bathroom, but it's where I keep a lot of my skincare stuff, and when we don't have guests, it's just like our bathroom to use, and Alex goes in there when he wants skincare stuff. So it's just a little bit bigger, so there's more space for things to go in the cabinet. So that I will show you. I already showed you guys the office organization that I have. I also did some organization to my closet, but I just recently did a whole closet organization video for you guys, so I will
put a card up for that video, and I'll link it in the description box for you guys to watch my like full closet transformation video. You can find it on my homepage too if you guys want to check it out. I figured I wouldn't show you guys exactly what's going on in my closet because you guys just saw a video about that. But I just kind of like put some clothes away and then like reorganized it a little bit. I feel like, you know, keeping your stuff organized is a continuous thing that you have to work on and that you have to be really present in. And that's one thing that I really want to work on this year, is just being more present when I'm going through my items, because I want to be able to just put things back where they belong, like right when I use them, so that I don't have to go through these like reorganizations. Like, I think, of course, no matter what, that will always be part of life, is just like kind of making sure that we don't have too many things and like going through them and whatnot. And I'm really, really aware of what I bring into my life, because I try to not have too many things. I like don't really buy very many things. I do get products from brands from time to time, not as much as I used to, which is nice, honestly, because I used to get a lot of stuff, so it was really hard to keep up with. But now I get like just a good amount that I can gift to people, that I can donate, etc., and keep what I need to and what I want to. And so yeah, that's just feeling really good. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's going on. All right, in here we have a lot less items. We have hairbrushes and combs at the bottom. We have some random little bags for like when I travel to put makeup in. Then we have all the hair tools, like curling iron, dryer, all that kind of stuff. And then this is just like to hold my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. And then I put all of my makeup brushes in that little plastic container that I'm recycling. It was some product that was from Pixie. So that's that. Now I can actually see what's happening in there. It's not that exciting, but it's still, it does its job. How about that? Now we are in the guest bathroom where I keep a lot of my product, and I just lined up a lot of the products that I love right here at the bottom so that I can reach for them often. I've been loving that body oil. I've been using it like every day. And then my deodorants over here, and just like face masks that we like pulling from most of the time. And then I was able to get these containers all organized, which is really nice. I put nail polish in this one, nail polish in that one because I have extra, and then cotton pads here, and then contacts in this one, and then I put my tampons in this one, so it's a little bit more reachable for me because I have all of my tampon and like Tampax and all just pads, everything is up there, and so I can't reach it, so I just made it more accessible to me because I'm actually on my period right now, so I need them right now. And that's kind of what this overall looks like. I really love how it looks. And then in this bathroom I also have this, so I pull from products that I use regularly from here as well, and all of like the bath products and bath bombs and stuff like that. I love this little thing that I got at World Market to help me organize all my product. All right, it has been a very productive afternoon. I am now in some yoga attire. I am in my sports bra and my yoga pants. I'm gonna throw a shirt on over this. Alex and I are headed to hot yoga right now, which I'm so excited about. It's going to be like the reset for me after the reset of my bedroom stuff. So that's good. I think anytime you're doing something like that, that can be like emotionally draining and physically draining in terms of just like having to separate and sort through different stuff and organize your place. It's nice to do something for you afterwards that feels like you're taking care of you, and you're kind of like your body and your physical being and reconnecting to yourself, because after something like that you can kind of feel like you just, like, it feels really good, but it's also super draining. And so what's gonna happen right now is I'm just gonna reconnect with myself. I'm gonna sweat out all the toxins that I possibly can, and then come back to peace. And it'll be nice to go with Alex because we both have been so busy all day. He's been editing. We had lunch together in the kitchen, but we just haven't like spent time together to connect together yet today, really. So it'll be nice to go together to hot yoga and connect to ourselves while connecting to each other. So we are gonna head out and go now. I'm really glad we're doing this.
Me too. It's been over a year since our last hot yoga, and I'm really looking forward to that sweat. Can you keep scratching my beard, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, you know, they say don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, don't eat and drive, but you can definitely have your beard scratched and drive.
That was incredible. I feel amazing. I sweat so much. Probably can't tell right now, but I feel like I'm glowing after that class.
Skincare and hot yoga.
Oh my god.
I feel so good. It's a different kind of sweat too. It's not
Yeah.
like you're like a workout. I mean it is, but there's just something that's deeper. You burn.
So it wasn't
good.
just a regular Bikram hot yoga. It was like a workout. You used weights and like bands, and it was really good. It was a good combination of like just a little extra bump up from your regular hot yoga. Oh wow, I have a nose itch. That was so good. Going to drink a lot of this now.